Hello, my name's Kevin Harris. My talk is on shifting left and kicking off. As you can see, I have already shifted left quite a bit, and I'll be teaching you how to do the same. Shifting left is vitally important for any modern Agile team. So we'll be going through some hints and tricks as to how you can shift left. We'll be looking at how that influences the kickoff meeting and the types of questions you should be asking and the types of information you should be giving. We'll also be looking at the test environment and why that should be the last place you see new functionality and not the first place. I hope to see you there. Goodbye.